Hello, my name is Taylor LeClaire, and this is my bartending course. This course is for anyone aspiring to become a professional bartender, as well as for those that just want to further their liquor knowledge in a more casual way to bartend at home or for their friends. The full course encompasses 31 classes, from basic mixology to advanced craft cocktails. Along the way, I'll teach you the essentials of combining various liquors to create a balanced flavor profile. There's a lot of skill involved in creating a great drink. In my class, you'll learn the mechanics of shaking and stirring, as well as various pouring techniques. We'll go over vintage cocktails like Sazeracs, Manhattans, and Martinis, and also teach you to mix some of the most requested drinks, such as Moscow Mules, Margaritas, and Mojitos. We'll wind up the course with an extensive look at customer service that highlights the importance of complying with regional laws regarding the sale of alcohol. And this course will teach you the fundamental tools that you need to master cocktails, basic liquor knowledge, and overall be successful in this industry. And guess what? You're going to have a lot of fun doing it.